Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. Now we are at final part of the sub-series CSS table styles. In this specific video, we will learn how to change the position of the table caption. So here in the screen you can see this is a sample table caption. Here in the screen you can see a table caption and where it is displaying. So this is the table caption, and let's control this table caption using the table-caption property. So the CSS property table caption tells whether caption should go before the table or after the table. Right? So possible values are top, that means before the table, and that's the default. And another one is bottom, that means the caption will be displayed towards the bottom of the table. Since it's a simple property, we will go ahead and experiment, and we will use our existing table. So now we will go to our table and add the caption. So if you see, we specified caption, and the content of the caption is this is a sample table caption text. Since a caption is a HTML element, we placed that inside the table. So here is our table, right? So we specified the caption, and this is what called inline style. So in our course, we used different variety of CSS. I mean placement of CSS. If you see, initially we kept CSS in a separate file, and then we referred that file. Here if you see 004 idselector.html, 004 idselector.css, right? There are two files, and using the link we referred the CSS. That's one style or one way of referring the CSS. It will be useful when you want to reuse this CSS in multiple HTML file. That means in your website, if you want to define a common heading, you will specify all the site-wide common style in one file, then you will refer that in the heading section of each file. So that's one way. And here if you see, this is specifying the style inside the HTML itself. So if there are some style that is specific to some elements in the HTML content, then you can specify the style using the separate section, style section within the HTML. So when you want to keep site specific common style rules, keep that in a separate CSS file and refer that in the heading section of your HTML. And if some styles are specific to a single file, then specify that like this: style type equal to text CSS. So you can open a tag like this and specify the style. And here if you see, if some styles are very specific to specific tag, then you can specify a inline style. Or if you want to override some style, say for example here we defined style for table data, right? And if you want to override the common style on this specific file to a specific table data, then you can provide style here inside this TD. So here is one example for caption, and this is what called inline style. So here we specified style equal to color.blue. We haven't yet saved the content. Here you are seeing the white dot, right? Now let's save the content and see the table caption. And if you see, the table caption appears towards the top of the table. So we can control this using the caption side property. Caption side by default it is top. Now we are doing with the bottom. And if you see, now caption is appearing towards the bottom of the table, right? So the default is top, and even if you won't specify it, the caption will appear towards the top. Right, now caption goes towards the top of the table. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.